What's going on, everybody? So I'm back in the video. Hope everyone's having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install the PaperLike screen protector for your iPad. So I have the iPad Air 2020 4th generation model. It does work on other iPads as well, which you guys can find on their website. So the first thing you guys get is the pamphlet welcoming you to the PaperLike family. Then you get two screen protectors. You get the installation guide, 2 wet wipes, the dust absorber, and the guide stickers, and lastly the help stickers. So the first thing you want to do is grab your iPad and position the iPad camera away from you, so it's at the top right there. And then you want to grab the screen protector. It comes with 2 sides, so side 1 is the blue, side 2 is the red, and you want to make sure that side blue, so which side 1 is on the bottom, and then side 2, which is the red one, at the top. So what you want to do next is grab the guide stickers, and you want to place it on the right side of the iPad. So at the top, make sure it's really close to the edge, and then the second one in the middle, and then the third one at the bottom right hand corner. Then you want to grab the help sticker and place it on the left side of the screen, so it's kind of like a door hinge. So once you're done with that, it's gonna kind of look like a door. So now what you want to do is grab your wet wipes and do a quick clean on the iPad screen, so it can kind of get rid of all that stickiness. And then you want to grab the dry cloth afterward, just to kind of dry everything up and dry all the fluids up that's on the screen. Next, we want to grab the dust absorber and kind of remove any dust that you see on your iPad screen. So now what we want to do is grab side 1 and basically take it off side 2, so you kind of want to pull it down in a downwards movement. Now what you want to do is grab any type of card. So I have an old prepaid expired card right here. They don't supply one in the package, fortunately, so just try to get rid of the bubbles as much as you can. Lastly, you want to grab side 2 and gently pull it downwards, so don't aggressively pull it off because you might take off the entire screen protector. And after that, you just want to grab your credit card and get rid of any remaining bubbles. If you want to pick one up, go to paperlike.com/StephenLim. There you have it. So that's how you install the PaperLike screen protector on your iPad. So now I want to briefly just talk about the screen protector itself, kind of my thoughts on it. So it's been about a week or 2 now, and what I can say is when I actually first installed it, it felt really off and kind of weird to me, just because I'm used to the typical tempered glass screen protector that I get on all my devices. But I would honestly recommend this for anyone who is an artist, likes to draw, does a lot of note taking, because for the texture you'll get that kind of glossy feel to it. And obviously when you're using the Apple Pencil, that's kind of what you want, because you want it kind of be identical to a paper kind of writing style. But basically if you don't have an Apple Pencil, I would stay away from it because it is quite pricey, starting at like 40 USD, whereas you guys can get some on Amazon for less than $20. My girlfriend's been using this for like the last 2 weeks now, and she's non-stop just coloring after work. But there you guys have it. Hope you did enjoy the video. Drop a like on the video, hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you guys never miss a video. That's basically it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.